garage door opener won't close all the way, chances are you need to adjust that down limit switch, and it's way easier than you think. Okay, so here's the deal. First, find the down limit switch on your garage door opener motor. It's usually a little dial or screw labeled down or something similar. Give it a gentle turn to tweak how far the door closes. Make small adjustments, like a quarter turn at a time, then try closing the door again to see if it goes all the way down. If the door still stops too early, keep adjusting slowly until it hugs the ground fully. Also, check if there's anything blocking the door's path, like debris or a misaligned track, because that can stop it from closing completely. Don't forget to unplug the opener before messing with any parts for safety, that you want to avoid any surprises. Once you get the door closing right, test the safety sensors to make sure they're not causing false stops. These tips usually fix the problem without needing a pro, saving you some cash and headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their garage door opener won't close all the way is ignoring the down limit switch adjustment and just assuming the opener is broken, which wastes time and money. Another common issue is not checking for obstructions or dirty tracks. Stuff like leaves or small rocks can mess up the door's movement and stop it from closing fully. A third problem is messing with the safety sensors. If they get misaligned or covered in dirt, they'll stop the door from closing, thinking there's something in the way. Fix these by regularly cleaning and aligning sensors, clearing tracks from debris, and properly adjusting the down limit switch instead of forcing the door. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who need trusted local contractors for garage door repairs and other projects. Contractors also get a steady flow of work thanks to their easy-to-use platform that connects them directly with people looking to get stuff done.